In this video, I'm going to show you how to self-host Strapi. So if you're looking to a self-host Strapi instead of using cloud platforms, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through everything from setting up Strapi on your own server to making it accessible online. Although I can show you directly the how to process because of restrictions here in Strapi. Listen carefully as I explain each step. So first, choose a server. To self-host a Strapi, you need a server. So I'll give you some options. So the first option is the VPS hosting, and second option is dedicated server, and the last option is local machine. So for this tutorial, we'll use a VPS with Ubuntu. We'll try it. So to set up your server, connect your server via SSH, copy edit, and then your server IP. And then after that, update your system. Same thing, copy and edit, and then after that, install the node.js, the latest version, and then check the installation and install Strapi. Now, create a new Strapi project and then start the Strapi in production mode. Set up a reverse proxy. So first, you'll need to install the nginx and create a nginx config file, and then add configuration, and enable the config and restart nginx, and set up a database. It's optional but it's recommended. And after that, restart the Strapi to apply the settings. And that's it. That's how you self-host Strapi. You have now a production ready Strapi server running on your own VPS or dedicated server. I hope this video helped. Although I can't show you directly how to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.